Procuring accessible materials from the beginning. The National Center on Accessible Educational Materials for Learning, or AIM Center, provides technical assistance, coaching, and resources to increase the availability and use of accessible educational materials and technologies for learners with disabilities across the lifespan. Based at CAST, the pioneers of universal design for learning, the AIM Center is funded by the Office of Special Education Programs at the U.S. Department of Education. When educational materials are accessible, they are designed or enhanced in a way that makes them usable to the widest range of students, regardless of format, like print, digital, graphical, audio, or video. With accessible educational materials, learners with disabilities have improved opportunities for meeting educational goals. That's why the procurement of accessible educational materials and technology is so important. The procurement process, which applies to every purchase and often includes a request for proposals, or RFP, from vendors, can happen on a building level, or on a district level or state level. The vetting process includes a range of criteria, such as curriculum standards, cybersecurity, and data privacy. Too frequently, accessibility standards aren't included. The AIM Center provides guidance on the vetting of accessible educational materials to ensure access for students with disabilities. For example, are the materials perceivable? Meaning, do they present information in a flexible format to account for the varied ways learners recognize information? Are the materials operable in providing customizable navigation options for the learner? Are the materials understandable in an intuitive, logical, and predictable way? And are the materials robust, meaning compatible with multiple technologies, including assistive technology used by learners with disabilities? The AIM Center website at aem.cast.org provides sample language and templates for digital accessibility requirements that states and school districts can use in the procurement process with publishers and vendors.
My name is Kathy Fortney, and I'm a program coordinator at the Francis Howell School District. The AIM Center was a terrific resource in helping our district procure a digital curriculum that is accessible to our students with disabilities. In addition to some great insight about vetting, the AIM Center made it easier for our district to communicate with vendors and contractors by giving us the proper language used in RFPs, purchase orders, and contracts. Since the entirety of the AIM Center website is open source, I was able to literally cut and paste what I needed, and the guidance they provide on accessibility standards made it easy to focus on meeting those requirements.
The AIM Center also provides guidance on what to do when a material doesn't support all the accessibility features we know our students need. In fact, we've found that vendors are responsive to our requests for timelines for accessibility improvements. At the AIM Center's website, you'll find a wealth of resources for making sure that accessibility is included in your next procurement of educational materials. On our homepage, click the tab marked Acquire to find in-depth information regarding vetting for accessibility, a reference directory of accessibility standards and specifications, sample language for communicating digital accessibility requirements, specifications by material type or delivery format, and much more. Our website features relevant publications, videos, podcasts, and webinars, all free and at your disposal. Let us know how we can assist you. Our team can be reached at aem@cast.org. Thanks for watching this video. You can stay current on the AIM Center's activities by following CAST on your favorite social media platforms. Logos: CAST, U.S. Department of Education, Office of Special Education Programs, Bridge Multimedia. The contents of this video were developed under a cooperative agreement with the U.S. Department of Education, #H327Z19004. However, those contents do not necessarily represent the policy of the U.S. Department of Education, and you should not assume endorsement by the federal government. Project Officer, Rebecca Sheffield, Ph.D.